Hello students, today we are going to begin with our new lesson, fifth lesson, expansion formulae. So formulae means what? It is a standard formula that is used to solve some example. Now in the previous class, that is 7th standard, we have studied 3 expansion formulae. First one was a plus b whole square. How to expand this? Expand means bada karna. Okay. So a plus b whole square. Now square means what? Multiplying a number by itself. But here in the base a number is not there. There is a expression. There is an expression in the base. So when we multiply this expression with itself, then we get this answer. So whenever such type of a question is there, we can easily apply it in this formula and find out the expansion. So what is the expansion of a plus b whole square? It is a square plus 2ab plus b square. A square means whichever is the first term, the square of that first term. Here instead of a, there can be any other number or alphabet or expression. Second term is 2 into a into b. A means first term, b means second term. So what is the middle term? 2 multiplied by first multiplied by second. And the last term is b square, means square of second term. Whatever will be the second term, we have to take its square. And everywhere there will be a plus sign, because in bracket there is a plus sign. Now the second formula is for minus. A minus b whole square. Now a minus b whole square expansion is a square means first ka square minus, here minus sign is there in the middle, so here also minus sign with 2ab. 2 into a into b. A means first, b means second. So 2 multiplied by first term multiplied by second term. And plus b square. Remember that in this expansion, minus sign will be only with 2ab. A square and b square will be positive. So these two formulas are almost same except the minus sign for the 2ab. And the next expansion is a plus b multiplied by a minus b. When two brackets are written together with no sign between them, the meaning of this is that there is multiplication between the two brackets. Here also square means what? Multiplication. A plus b multiplied by itself, a plus b. Then this we had solved and we had came to this conclusion. Here also a minus b square means what? A minus b multiplied by itself. And here there are different sign. One is positive and other bracket is negative. So if such type is there, means a is same both the places, b is also same, only the difference is of the sign, here plus, here minus. So its answer is a square minus b square. Understood? Now based on this we have solved some examples in the previous class. So let's take a quick revision of those examples. First one is x plus 2y whole square, means addition is there, two terms are there and whole square. So this question is like the first formula. This question is like the first formula. Here a is x and b is 2y. Here instead of a there is x and instead of b there is 2y. So what is the expansion of this? a square पर a की जगह x है तो क्या आएगा यहाँ पे x स्क्वायर प्लस 2 इंटू a मीन्स x, 2 इंटू x इंटू सेकेंड वन, सेकेंड क्या है b की जगह 2y 2y, 2 इंटू एक्स इंटू 2y प्लस दूसरे का स्क्वायर, दूसरा कौन है यहाँ पे 2y, 2y का स्क्वायर. So give here a bracket because there are two things, number is also there and alphabet is also there. In this expression there is a number as well as a variable. So square of second one, पर second ये पूरा है इसलिए ये पूरे का स्क्वायर. Bracket is very important. Now simplify it. X square will remain as it is plus 2 into 2 4 x y, 2 into 2 4 into x into y, so 4xy plus 2y का स्क्वायर, बट ब्रैकेट में 2 है मतलब दोनों का स्क्वायर. सो 2 स्क्वायर इज 4 and y square will be y square itself. Understood? So this is the expansion of x plus 2y whole square. Now the second example, 2x minus 5y whole square. Something minus something means this is like the second formula, a minus b. So here what is a? Instead of a what is there in this question? 2x. a की जगह है 2x and b की जगह है 5y. Instead of a there is 2x and instead of b there is 5y. So what is the answer of this a minus b whole square? a square मतलब पहला वाला जो टर्म है उसका स्क्वायर. पहला टर्म क्या है 2x, सो 2x का स्क्वायर. देन माइनस साइन, देन 2 इंटू फर्स्ट इंटू सेकेंड, 2 इंटू फर्स्ट, फर्स्ट इज 2x and second is 5y. देन प्लस साइन, सेकेंड का स्क्वायर, जो भी सेकेंड टर्म है उसका स्क्वायर. तो सेकेंड टर्म हमारा है 5y, सो 5y स्क्वायर. गिव अ ब्रैकेट, 5 और y दोनों का स्क्वायर है सो ब्रैकेट इज कंपल्सरी. नाउ 2x स्क्वायर मीन्स square of 2 also and square of x also. What is the square of 2? It is 4. And what is the square of x? X square minus 2 2s are 4 5s are 20 into x into y, so 20xy plus 5 square is 25 and y square will be y square. So this is the expansion of 2x minus 5y whole square. Now this is the second type of examples. This also we have studied in the previous year. 101 square. So one method for solving this is that you can do 101 multiply by 101. Square means what? Multiply with itself. And the second method is by using the formula. How we will do that? 101 can be written as 100 plus 1 and whole square. ब्रैकेट के अंदर जो भी है उसका स्क्वायर है, तो ब्रैकेट के अंदर की ही वैल्यू को हमने मॉडिफाई किया. सो 101 कैन बी रिटन एज 100 plus 1 and its square. Now this example is like the first formula, a plus b, 100 plus 1. a की जगह 100 है and b की जगह 1 है. So what is the expansion? A square, but a is 100, that's why 100 square plus 2 into a means 100 into b means 1, b is 1 plus b square means 1 square. Now what is 100 square? 100 into 100. Total how many zeros after 1? 100 into 100 means 4 zeros. 1 2 3 4 plus 2 into 100 200 into 1 200 and 1 square is 1. So the answer is 10,201. 10,201 is the answer of 101 square. Now the next example, 98 square. So this example also you can solve by doing 98 into 98. But another method is 98 can be written as 100 minus 2 and its square. Now this is an example of the second type, a minus b. So what is the answer? A square means 100 square minus 2 into a means 100 into b means 2 plus b square means 2 square. Now 100 square is 10,000 minus 2 into 2 4 into 100 400 plus 2 square is 4. Now 10,000 minus 400, this we will solve first. So 10,400 means how much? 9,600 and plus 4. So 9,604 is the square of 98. Now the last example. This is of the third type, a plus b, a minus b. a की जगह यहाँ पे है 5m. a is here 5m and b is here 3n. So what is the answer of such type of question? First term square minus second term square. So what is the first term? 5m and its square minus second term square. Second term is 3n, so 3n square. Now 5 square 25, m square is m square minus 3 square is 9, n square will be n square only. So this is the expansion of a plus b into a minus b type of example. So these three formula we have studied in the previous year. Now this year the first expansion formula that we are going to study is x plus a into x plus b. Okay, so what is the difference here? AB was same, only the sign in the middle was different. Terms were same, AB. Here first term is same and second term is different. Here it is different, a, here it is b, and both the signs are of addition. So if such type of question comes, then how you will solve this? Multiplication. Now this is a multiplication of two binomials, and multiplication of two binomials also we have studied in the previous year. Now see here, this bracket we have to multiply with the second bracket, but in the first bracket there are two terms, so both the terms we have to multiply with this bracket. Means x also we should multiply with this bracket and a also we should multiply with this bracket. Why? Because ये पूरी ब्रैकेट इस ब्रैकेट से मल्टीप्लाई करनी है, पर इस ब्रैकेट में दो टर्म्स है. इसका ही मतलब ये होता है कि ये दोनों टर्म्स को ये ब्रैकेट से मल्टीप्लाई करना है. सो फर्स्ट टर्म इज x multiplied by the bracket, then plus a, whatever sign is here that you have to give with a. So a also multiply with the bracket, x multiplied by the bracket plus a multiplied by the bracket. Now again x we have to multiply with this bracket, but in this bracket again there are two terms. So multiply x with both the terms separately. So first x into x, then plus sign x into b. Then similarly a को भी ब्रैकेट के अंदर के दोनों से मल्टीप्लाई करना है. So plus sign, because why plus sign? Because a is also positive and x is also positive. So positive into positive will be positive, and again positive into positive will be positive. So a into x plus a into b. Understood this much? Here x into x and x into b, then a into x and a into b. Now x into x is x square. Number multiplied by itself means x square, plus here x into b and a into x. So ax we will write first alphabetically, plus bx plus a into b is ab. A into b is ab. Now you can use this formula till here also. This is one way. Second thing we can do is x square as it is plus. Now here x is present in both the terms, means it is common for both of them. So write it one time multiplied by a plus b. x को a से भी मल्टीप्लाई किया है और x को b से भी मल्टीप्लाई किया है, तो ये मल्टीप्लिकेशन हम एक ही बार लिखेंगे, x मल्टीप्लाइड बाय a प्लस b and plus ab as it is. So this is the formula for x plus a into x plus b. This you have to learn today. If the question comes in the type x plus a into x plus b, means first term is same in both the brackets, second term is different and both the brackets have plus sign, then the answer will be first term square plus first term into a plus b plus a into b. This formula you have to learn, and in the next lecture we will see the examples based on this formula. So today's homework is solve these examples in your notebook. Before that, write down the heading and write down these three formula, and then learn the expansion formula of x plus a into x plus b. Write down these three, solve the examples and learn this formula. Next lecture we will start with the examples. Thank you.